10,
Yes.
20, 30. That is the department number. That is the common key column. Okay?
Yes.
Right. Now, save as again. Now, right outer. Right outer joiner.
Now here 40 will also come.
Yes, right outer means now how to compare it? Right table is compared with your left table when error is came. Right? What is
Right.
the error? Just read it.
Has not compiled. Do you wish to compile the job?
No, no, the before one department number value will came right. Error.
Should I try running?
One yes, yes. Compilation error. Before one error is came.
Right, right. Hmm.
So department number like this here.
Hmm. Hmm. This
So
one.
just read it.
In
This one.
invalid
Invalid
derivation of
between the
output.
two. Output column. Department number is a common key column. So left to table to right table are going to converting the time. The link is disconnected. The common key column link.
Why?
Just go to that. Just go to that. I will show you. The link is disconnected. Go to the join output tab.
Okay. Hmm.
Here red color right the department number link. So from the left to right the only department just mapping into the target. Just mapping. Just a drag and drop. Only the particular key column just a drag and drop it. Yes. Yes. Yes.
But
Right.
why this
So
happened?
why, yeah, why? Because is converting into the left to right. So right means
Hmm.
which is the key column you are going to compare. In case you have the two key columns are there, that situation, which key are you going to link up that common key column? That is the reason is the link is closed that disconnected. So again, once change the property, left to right, once you are going to change the property, that situation, the common key column link is going to disconnect. Manually, we are
Okay.
going to select it, which key column again for right outer joiner, which key column are going to join. That is the thing here.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
right.
Okay.
Now, click on OK, run the job. Now, how much output data? 10, 20, 30, and also
40.
40
40 will.
also come to the target. So target
Right.
means 15 records will come to the target.
Right.
Right.
50.
View the data. 15, 1, 5. So include the
Yes.
40 values. Just observe that here. 40 department values is available within the department table. 40 values is not available within the employee table.
Right. 40 is
Yes, sir,
missing.
right. So
Yes.
40 value is, see that here throughout the employee number, employee table is showing the
Null.
null
Yes.
values.
Yes.
Why
Yes.
it is showing the null means within the employee table there are no 40 department values, right? Correct.
Right.
But the department number value the 40. That is the common key column of the values. Clear, right? That is the
Yes.
region. So
Okay.
that is the
Okay.
right outer joiner. Right. Now again go to that. Full outer. What is the
Okay.
full outer? Again 40 will come, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
10, 20, 30 and also 40. I mean 15 records again. That is the full
Okay.
outer.
Now again the link will get disconnected.
No, no, only for left to right only.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Full outer is not common. That is matching the both are table, right? matching, unmatching.
Okay.
So here full outer means left table to right table as well as right table to left we are going to
Left
matching,
table.
right?
Right.
This is the thing. Yeah.
15 records. Okay.
Yeah. Matching and also unmatching the data from the both the table. So within your project you have the lakhs of records are there. The same thing. Data is the different. Work
Right.
is the same design, same work, same properties. The table names, volume of the data is different
Right.
with the data.
Yes. 40 is there again.
So now observe that here same 40 department data is came into the target. Clear, right? So
Right.
this is the full outer joiner. Clear? Right.
Yes.
Now save as the job again. Save as the job.
What should I rename?
Uh, Rename like a scenario 22 join 1. Left to remove that. Yes, 21 underscore join 1. No, 21 only. 21 heterogeneous join. So before four types of joins like a homogeneous. But now I want
Right.
non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous, whatever join you want, make it better to go to the inner joiner.
Okay.
Right. So first of all, employee table is there, right? Better to take that here. Remove the Oracle one. Remove the Oracle one. Instead of that, you have to take that. Delete. Ah. So
Okay.
now take that one data set.
Okay.
One data set. This is the heterogeneous, right? Yes or no? Different sources.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
No,
Cancel
first of all,
this.
link of that. So within the Oracle database, you can take the DEPT table. Within the data set, you already sent it, right? Yes, scenario one of the target. That's the Oracle EMP table of the tester, right? Yes or no?
Uh,
sc1.es.
right.
Browse
But
it.
why it is?
Browse
Yes. Okay.
sc1.es.
See.
sc1.ds, that is the employee table of the data, right? Source is the Oracle, target you can load it directly. So just go to the columns. This is the employee table. Sorry. I want to take the DEPT table. This is the Oracle. This is the data set. The data set, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Take the EMP table. EMP table toucher. Okay. sc1.ds. Okay. Columns. Columns. Right. That is fine. Columns. Load. EMP table toucher. Oracle database EMP table toucher. That's fine.
EMP table structure you. Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. 8 columns the toucher is the same, right? Either go to the orchestrate or otherwise go to the Oracle and thing. EMP.
Outside
Better to go to that
also
here. You can
SC.
sc1.ts. Whatever you want.
Okay.
Both are
Okay.
the same. Click on OK. Right.
Okay.
Click on OK. Now go to the Oracle. No.
Okay.
Go to the Oracle. Within the
Mm.
Oracle, you can take the DEPT table, not the EMP. Data set you can take the EMP, right? But here you can take the DEPT. Load the columns. Columns. Remove the first of all, these are the columns, then you have to reload. Select all. Control button or shift button first and last. Remove then load it again.
Delete rows, right? Mm.
Yeah. Load
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Take the DEPT table. Plug in Oracle database. DEPT. Table name is changed, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Click on OK. Yes. Click on OK. So now left to table is the DEPT, right table
And
is the
right
employee
table is
table. This is
right.
the full outer,
Employee.
whatever you want. Right. Click on OK. Whatever you want.
I'll
Yes.
take
Inner,
in.
whatever. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Go to the common key column. Just go to the key column. No, no. Just go to that key, drop down. Right. Yes. Reconnect it again. Yeah. Click on OK. Yes. Mapping is already did right. Now go to that. Just check it that mapping again, please. Output
Which
tab.
one? Okay.
Output
Okay.
tab.
Okay.
Join and output tab.
For which
Within the
one?
join,
Join.
join,
Okay. Okay.
output tab, mapping or not, correct or not. So first of
Okay.
all, remove the outside, red color, remove first of all, right side,
Oh.
red color way, right click on the, right click and select all and remove it.
Okay. Okay. Select all.
Remove it. Delete button. Delete it in your keyboard. Yes, all. Yes to all. Right, now you have to remapping. Right click, select all and mapping. Right, click on OK. Now go to that target, secure the path. Right, better to
Inner.
inner joiner. Right? Okay. H inner
So.
joiner. Hetero underscore inner joiner.
Okay.
SC21 underscore hetero.
Okay. Okay. One second.
Hetero. Right, that's right. Click on it run the job. Click on run it. So what happened that here? So based on the
Now he was
common key
saying.
column, different sources of the data loading into the target. Common data from the both are table, right? Here 14
Yeah, right.
records.
14 rows. Yeah.
Yes. So I am trying to explain that here different sources also are going to work on that. Clear, right? Yes or no? Three rows is came that
Uh,
is common key column values. Why? Because some maybe your 9 rows is coming from the data set. Maybe I remove that, maybe or something will happen.
I
Only
think
9 rows
this
is coming
data.
that.
No, no. I think this data set might have that we have applied a sort. No, remove duplicate or something might be
Remove
there.
to some whatever. But here within that you have the 9 records are there. So which is the
Right.
match in the data loading in the target. That is our requirement,
Right.
right?
Right.
So
Right.
it is working or not. This is the thing our
Yes.
one. Yes or no, right? So different sources of the data you are going to use that the header. Whatever data is available. Clear right what I am saying that here.
Yes.
So
Okay.
whatever the data is there, you are going to work on that. Clear
Okay.
right?
Got.
So
Got
this
it.
is
Got it.
the header. Clear? Right.
Yes.
So total 5 jobs you are completed here. I mean 5 within the join scenario 1, but you are
Right.
completed the 5 jobs.
Right.
So just a practice. These are the things. So only you
Got.
have that 5 minutes are there. So no need to work on the next one is you can take again 1 more hour. Don't time this much of time. So see that by tomorrow. You can
Okay.
practice those other things. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have kept this ready.
Yeah. Right. So this is the Oracle 2 data set. Right. So better to
Yes.
yesterday I sent it some of the scenarios. Right. The first 10
Yes.
scenarios. Yes.
Right.
So this is the first scenario. What is the first scenario?
Oracle to
Oracle
data set.
2 data set. So what is the
Yes.
Oracle to data set? What is the scenario? I mean, what is the basically? So my source is the Oracle and my target is the data set. I mean, the
Yes.
first 10 scenarios, I mean, first 9, just open the scenario document. First 9 scenarios, different sources into the different targets. EL jobs, not the ETL. Simply you can say. So 10th scanner onwards ETL. So there are no transformations. Yes or no, right?
Right.
So extract
Right.
the
Right.
data, loading into the target, different sources into the different targets. There are no
Okay.
transformations. So you should know that. So what kind of the data you are going to storage and what kind of the
Right.
data you are going to extract. So different sources, you can understood that. Then you can apply the business logic. Okay, right.
Yes.
You can do it first scenario, you can start that. So Oracle to data set, already you did yesterday, but again you can start the scenario right place.
Okay.
So
Okay.
uh,
Uh,
here again, go to that new, go to the file, in the top toolbar file,
yes.
new, parallel job,
Okay.
click on OK. Right. From the source, database, from the source database. Right. Oracle connector, drag and drop to canvas, then file,
Okay.
from the
Okay.
file,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Fine.
Without the file
Data
dragging
set.
up, you cannot see that those are the properties. Right. So you need to link up that.
Yes.
This is the EL extraction direct loading. You will not apply
Okay.
any business logics. Just a drag and drop to data set. Yesterday you did right, just simply drag and
Yes.
drop
Yes.
it.
Yes. Yeah.
Right. So now go to that Oracle connector. Now you
Here
can see the
server
all the
name.
properties. Without link up, you cannot see the properties. Right.
Correct. Correct.
So source is the Oracle, server is the Oracle, username is the Scott, password is the Tiger, and make your table name. I'm going to use the table name like EMP. Take the EMP table.
Yes. Table name, right? Uh,
Yes.
yeah.
Table name. EMP. Type it. Right. Now go to the
Okay.
columns. Columns tab is
Columns.
there.
Yeah.
Load in the bottom level. Table definitions. Yesterday I said right how you are going to import the tables.
Yes. Yes.
Right? By default not available, you are importing. Already you did. So in case if you
Yes. Yes.
want import table definition of Oracle, plugin metadata. Plugin metadata, then you have to select your database. Then you make it the your credential, server name, username, password. Then click on OK.
Oracle. Oh, yeah. Scott.
Scott Tiger. Then next and select your username and which one you
Uh,
want table Scott.
yes.
Which table you want to import, you need to select, then import.
Uh,
So yeah,
yes.
click on OK. Yeah. So which table you want that? I already done, but
EMP.
this is the thing. So we
Okay.
once click on the import, that table was going to import it into your table definitions. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the way you are going importing of your database of the tables. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So now you can apply EMP table already there another plugin. So which table you
Yes.
are going to loading EMP table.
EMP.
Yeah,
Yes.
EMP, right click on OK. All the columns. Better to OK. All the
Okay.
columns. That's fine. Yeah. Click on yes.
All
Right.
columns are
Click
there.
on OK. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So up to here, your Oracle connectivity is ready. Right. Make it
Yes.
Control Alt Enter. Full screen. Control Alt Enter.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Right. That's better. So now source is ready. Now go to the target path C colon slash or found out slash,
Yes. Yes. Found out.
yeah, C colon slash,
Yes.
yes, yeah, A dot ds. Better to use that one second. SC1 dot ds. I mean scenario 1 dot ds. SC1.
This
SC1 means C colon slash SC1 dot S. I mean scenario 1 of the target.
okay, okay, okay,
This is scenario 1 of the target lines here. Right. So
okay.
here, just click on that here. Columns are there. Columns are available or not. Without column
Yes,
names, you cannot do that, right?
right.
Columns should be there. Better to use than not there here. Properties to columns to you can find out here with help of that. Say employee number. That is the SQL data type also is available and also length also is available. You can find out clear picture here. So
Yes.
all the 8 columns. Okay, right. So columns should be there. Without column, your data cannot load it. Remember
Okay.
that. Your job is
Okay.
success or not without columns.
No.
Columns are your job is success, but your data is not there. Okay, I will show
Okay.
you.
So this
Better to.
one question, these
Yeah.
columns, like how did it came into the
Once you have to
target?
mapping right, yeah. Once your source is there, right? Within the source, you
Uh-huh.
can drag and drop all the columns. Better to I will
Okay.
show you. Just to cancel this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Cancel this one. Now go to that. There is no only link right here. Only link here.
This link.
Oracle to target. So within the source, what are the columns are there? Those are the all the columns is loading into the target automatically.
Okay. Okay.
Direct linking. In case you can apply any logic. In case you can apply
Okay.
any logic in the between. So in the target level, not come to the automatically.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Anyhow,
Okay.
I will show you after that. Okay, right.
Okay.
So better to go to that once again. Uh, Go to the Oracle.
Okay. One
Go
second.
to the Oracle.
Mm, yeah.
Columns, columns.
Columns. Yeah.
Uh, Load level, loading level columns. Just remove those are the columns here.
Uh, which one?
All the columns. Yeah, all the columns. Remove
Uh,
all the columns. Remove that. Select all
uh,
and remove it. Otherwise,
mm,
control select one by one like this here.
okay. Okay.
Control button and select all one by one and have to remove it.
Remove for
Remove.
removing like how?
Remove means delete.
Delete for.
Delete.
Okay.
Delete. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Now load.
Hold.
Select EMP. Click on OK. Yeah. Now remove in the right side. So left side in the source level, right side these are the target columns, right? Yes or no? In the data set columns
Correct.
actually. So remove
Correct.
here all the columns. Yeah. Now click on OK.
Okay.
Anything is there? Close.
Uh, cancel. What should
Cancel.
like okay?
Cancel. Yeah. Okay. Okay is there? Yeah. Yeah. Close.
Cancel. Okay.
Close.
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 Mm,
Columns are not coming. See that here. Why? Because of this is a direct level. Yes or no, right?
mm,
This is the
mm.
direct level. So in case there are no columns, how you can load the data in the directly?
Right.
That is the meaning of
Right.
that. So what I'm saying that
Okay.
here should be there at least one column.
Right. Right.
In case
Right.
one column also only one column of the data we are going to transfer. For example, right again load. Better load it. What are the columns your favorite? Just click on that in the target level.
Okay. Okay.
Just what are
Uh,
the columns your favorite? Just make it as 3 4 columns. Just for
yes.
sample. Whatever the columns
Yes.
you
Yes.
want.
So these two columns I okay.
Okay, fine. Right, click on it.
Okay.
So source level is the 8 columns are there, but target level you have the only 2 columns. Right? Remember that.
Right.
Right. Click on OK.
Okay.
In the target level, make it that target level. Make it the path. Columns. How
Yes.
many columns are there? 2 columns.
Should I check? Yes, two columns are
Yeah,
there.
two
Correct.
columns, right? Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes it's showing that all the 8 columns, sometimes it's showing the 2 columns of the data. Okay, anyhow, we can see. Make it a path,
Okay.
make it as path,
Column.
properties,
Uh,
file, C colon,
C colon. Yes. And what was it?
slash sc1.ds.
sc1 dot ds. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So click on OK,
Yes.
run the job, run the job. Yes. So job name like a sc1 underscore vara underscore ds. SC1 means scenario 1, Vara
Oracle
means Oracle underscore DS means
data
loading into the
data
data
set.
set. That is the meaning.
Data set.
Right.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Saved into that. Oh, if you not saved it, it is direct loading into that by default folder Oracle.
Okay.
Okay.
Run.
Run it. Run it.
Two rows should be there.
Not the 2 rows, 2 columns. Rows is the 14 rows.
Right, right, right. Two columns. Okay.
Just to see the
Sorry, sorry.
output data.
Yes, yes. Uh,
2 columns are 8 columns of the data you are showing that. No, third one. Second one. Yeah. Yeah.
view
View.
link
Yeah.
data.
Normally showing that 2 columns and
Yes, yes.
14 records. I mean, those what are the columns you are passing out into the target? So into the those are the 2 columns of the data. You can be able to see that, right?
Yes,
Yes
yes.
or no?
Correct.
Out of the
Yes.
8 columns. So that's what I
Correct,
am
correct.
saying that here. What are the columns are is available in the source level? I don't bother about the source level. In the target level, as for client requirement. So what are the columns of the data you require? That is important, right? So in the source level, 100
But
columns are there.
whatever columns we chose it in the source, right? Like two columns we chose, so we
What
chose
are
it
the
in the
data
source.
is coming from the client. Client of the data is different. So from the client,
Okay.
hundreds of the columns of the data will come in that. But all the
Right, right,
100 columns of the data you don't want. Right?
right, right,
You don't want that. But at the target class, I want 10 columns. That is enough, right? For me.
right,
Sourcer is available. I have a lot of the data in the source level, but I don't want those are the data. My
right,
requirement
right,
is some of the data is required. So you need to passing out in the target level. 100 columns is taking 100 minutes, for example, right? For
right,
loading. But by requirement 10 columns. Within that 10 minutes, my work is completed. Why go for remaining 90 columns of the data?
right,
Waste
right.
of the time, right? For loading. So
Yes.
your optimization is less. That's the reason. What are the columns are required? You are going to take that.
Yes. Yes.
Is clear? Right? This is one of the point. Okay, right.
Yes.
So your job is successful based on that your requirement. I mean, this is the direct loading from Oracle database to target to the data warehouse. This is
Yes.
the scenario one. In the left side, A&R training is there. Under that SC1 job is there.
Where?
No,
Uh,
yes, A&R training level. SC1, you are
no, no, no.
created, right? SC1. No, why? Because of you are not saved into, you are not selected the A&R training folder.
Yes,
Just
yes,
click.
yes, correct.
That is the meaning of that. So better to save it that. So better to go to that. Save as the job. Right. Now again, go to the file, save as the same job. Select A&R training folder under the job folder, job
Yes.
folder, select A&R training folder. Right. Click on save it.
Is
Already
already
running,
in
right?
view.
Already running. So once close and open that, then you have to save it after some time. Yeah, after some time you have to work on that. No worry. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So that is the way also you are going to save it into as save as. Okay. This is the job.
Okay.
Close and then open. Then you have to save as. Already running, right? That's the reason. Yeah. Okay. After some time you are going to save as into the NR training folder. This is the SC1. Right?
Okay.
Fine.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Now I'll go to the scenario document. Open the scenario
Uh,
2.
control data. Oracle to
First
Oracle.
one is done. Yeah, first one is done. Make it as completed.
Okay.
All right. Second one. So what is the second one?
Oracle to Oracle.
My source is Oracle. Target also Oracle. Yes or no, right?
Okay. Yes.
So source is Oracle, but target also is the database. So you are extracting the data and loading the same target. It is possible.
Yes, it is possible.
My source is the MP table. My target means you are going to create one table, right? That's all. Database means you are going to loading the Oracle database. MP
Right,
table
right.
is going to passing up same table.
Uh,
Oracle, same database. MP extraction target is the MP. The same MP it is possible.
Same table, I'm not sure. Don't
Yeah,
know.
you cannot.
Uh,
You cannot
yes.
load into the same table, same database. But
Right,
A the extraction table, target table should be B table. I mean, should be
right.
have a different table, should not have the same table. I mean, same name. I'm talking about that.
Yes.
Structure
Yes.
or data is the same, but table name should be different. Not in
Okay.
the A equal to A, you cannot. A equal to
Okay.
B, you can. That's the way. Okay, right. Anyhow, source is a Oracle connector. Target also Oracle connector. Right. Link of that. Link up.
Yes.
Same thing in the source. All the credentials. Take the MP table.
Yes. I'm just trying to
Link of
find
that.
the link.
Drag and drop it. Yes.
Yes.
Source is maybe you know right. Already did. So make it as all the credential. Unload the columns.
Yes.
Server name is Oracle, username is Scott, password is the Tiger, and take the MP table and load the columns.
Runtime. Yes. Password. Table name is
EMP,
EMP. Yes. And
load the columns.
columns. EMP. Okay.
Right. Yes. Make it all the
Yes.
columns. Better.
Okay. Yes.
Click on OK. Click on OK. Now this is the source is ready. Source table is the
Yes.
MP table. Okay. Right. And now go to
Right.
the target.
Okay.
And target Oracle. Double click on that. Make it all the connections are same as.
Okay.
Server name is Oracle. Username is Scott. Password is the Tiger. And then table name not in the MP. SC1
Ah.
underscore SC2 underscore TGT. Table name
Okay.
SC2. I mean scenario 2 of the target table.
SC2.
SC2 underscore Vara underscore TGT. SC2 underscore Vara. I mean this is Oracle table like this. Oracle Vara
Underscore is not
underscore.
working. Um,
Mm, maybe not display sometime. Yeah, Ora underscore TJT. Just type it, type
Space
it.
should the
Underscore, no, no, not a space. Underscore,
SC2 or underscore is not
underscore,
there. So can I just okay
continuously. Okay, that's fine. SC2, Ora TJT.
TGT target? Okay.
Remember that. Underscore also is working, just try to work on that. No,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
try it. That's better to view that properly.
Okay.
SC2 underscore Vara underscore TJT.
Okay. Should I try in Notepad once, miss, quickly? If
Yeah, why not? Why not? Just copy paste it here. Copy paste it. Maybe it's not working. I hope. Yes, just try that one. Try that one.
SC2. Here it is working.
That is also working, but not display.
Okay, okay, okay,
Is working, but not display in the Oracle level.
okay, okay,
Just
okay.
copy paste it. Is working.
So copy paste is not working.
Okay, try that one. SC2 underscore
SC2
underscore make it as
underscore
if not display.
aura
Ora underscore
TGT.
TGT. Yes.
Okay,
Right. So now this is the table name is not available within your database. Yes or no, right?
right.
SC2O underscore Ora underscore TGT within your database not available.
Right.
Now come down here. Table action. Come down here.
Okay.
Table
Table
action is the
action.
append,
Yes.
create,
Yes.
replace, truncate. So we are going to create that, not in the append, not in the replace, not in the truncate. So I want create the table. Which table?
Oh,
This is the new table. Which data? From the source. What are the columns are there? What are the columns are there? Just click on that here columns.
columns.
Which
Okay.
columns are there? I'm not loaded in the target level. So by default from the source, what are the columns are there? Those are the columns which come to the target. Yes or no, right?
Right. Right. Yes. Yes.
Maybe two columns, maybe five columns, maybe all. Before you
Yes.
did
Yes.
right same. So what are the columns you are mapping before that? Those are the columns is loading at the target level. Clear, right? This is the thing here.
Yes.
Why? Because of this is a direct loading.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Click on OK. So what
Okay.
happened here? Source is the MP table, 8 columns, 14 records of data. You are going to loading in the same database, but target table name is different. SA2 underscore vara TGT. The
Okay.
table is going to create into your same database. Right?
Means
This is action is going on.
we can
Yeah.
create table through data stage itself, like just by clicking
Yes.
create. It's
Yes.
new table. Oh,
So yeah.
okay.
In case within as a database level, create table, table name, within the bracket, MP. So you are going to make it all the columns and then you are loading it all the 14. Yes, sir, right?
Right.
In the
Right.
database development level. So that is a very difficulty. But here, directly you are very simple thing. You are going to create the table with help of the data stage. Alright?
Right. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we are going to create the table. You are loading a lot of the data also directly. Very
Yes.
simple manner. Right. Now run it.
Okay.
Run the job. Now you need to select your folder name is
Yes. Yes.
ANR training. Otherwise,
Yes.
saved into that Oracle folder. Right.
Yes.
Job name SC2 underscore vara underscore vara. SC2 underscore vara underscore vara. SC means scanner to Oracle, direct load
To
to
Oracle.
Oracle.
Right.
Save it.
Save.
So running, compilation, once compiled successful, loading into the target. Blue color, green color, red color. Yes.
Green color.
Yeah. So how much data?
14 rows.
14 rows is showing right in the green color.
Yes.
Where
Yes.
you can see the target data. So before scenario one, the target is the data set. Right? You are going to be able to see
Ah,
your target data.
right. Right.
Right? But now Oracle database. So this is the database where you can see that your target table data. You can see it both the ways, either designer itself or either your database level also.
Okay.
SQL
Okay. Yes.
Plus. Open your
Yes.
SQL
Yes.
Plus.
Yes. Once.
Open SQL Plus.
Uh,
Minimize the designer and then you have to. Here also you can see that your target table name. Username is
yes.
Scott. Password the tiger.
Uh,
Click on OK.
Sorry.
Username is
Uh,
Scott. Password the tiger.
and host string is the
No,
table
no
name, right?
required. Yeah, no, not required. Just click on OK.
Okay.
So now set line 300, set line 300, semicolon enter.
Set set
SCT set space line 300, LINE line 300, semicolon enter. Now shall I
okay.
start from your table name. Why you can use the set line? The display perspective level, not
Right,
overlapping.
right.
Shall I start from what
C2
your table name? SC2 underscore
SC
vara underscore vara.
or underscore target, I think, na? Not
TGT.
yes, yes.
Semicolon enter.
Yeah.
Before that, this is the table is not available. Now your
Right,
table
right.
is created, right? So you can
Yes,
see in the target in the SQL plus in the database level. One more, with the help of the designer also you can see that. Why not? View the data, right click
yes.
on the right target,
Ah,
open the designer, open the designer, right click on the right view the data. Yes, yes. So database level, you can see in that either target level or either your database level also.
right.
So this is the
Yes,
your data, target data. Okay,
right.
right. So now close.
Close.
This is the second scenario. I mean,
Yes.
Oracle to data set like a database you are loaded. Oracle to database you are loaded. Right. Now third scenario. What is
Should
third?
I just
Yeah, yeah,
should I
yeah,
just
yeah.
rename this test to like Oracle to data that
No,
data
no,
set?
no, no, not the test two.
Can it-
So you are going to save as scenario one, right? You're asking that.
Right.
Yeah, just go to the scroll down. In the table definitions are there. One of the folder table
Hmm.
definitions. Under that, Oracle
Plugin
plugin.
Oracle.
Under the Oracle,
Okay.
you are saved into the here
Okay.
by default. So right click on that.
Okay.
Uh,
No, this is correct. Oh,
the job is fine. If you want to save as,
s- so okay. So if I open this and save as again,
select that. Okay, file save as.
save as mm,
Go to the
jobs.
jobs. In our training folder. Right, click on
Save
save it. Okay, same name, yeah,
already.
same name. User, right? Better use that SC01. SC01.
Okay.
Make it as, yeah.
So we can't we can't move the job in this folder like
Not in that, already there under that.
ah
Not to move it, rename it.
okay.
Now 01, that is also one you can save it. Now you can secure that
Uh, uh, Now in
under the end of
jobs.
training folder.
Yes. Here.
So 01 is there, 2 is there. Okay. So 01 means that is
Yes.
the scenario one. Okay. Right.
Right.
So now this is the two scenarios. So both the
Right.
scenarios, the source is the same. Third one also
Right.
same. Right. Now go to the third scenario.
Yes.
Go to
Sequential
the third.
Oracle to
Yeah.
sequential file.
Now second one is completed. Third one.
Ah,
So third
yes.
one
One.
is the same source. Remember that. Same source is the
Yes.
Oracle is the same source, but target is
Yes.
different. First scenario
Yes.
target is the data set. Second target is the Oracle database. Third target is sequential file. This is only the file level filing. Sequential file means target is the flat file. Sequence file
Yes.
means flat file, you can say. So database of the data I am going to loading into the flat file. This is the meaning. Remember that.
Right.
Important. Right.
Yes.
Now this is a new job. Right. Click on OK. Source is the Oracle connectivity. Source is the Oracle. Target is the sequence file. From the file, sequential file. Link of that.
Uh,
Link of that.
this link up.
Link up. Right. Now make it as same as Oracle connectivities, credentials.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Server is Oracle. Username is Scott. Password is the Tiger. EMP table.
Table name.
Table name is EMP.
Columns.
Target. Columns. Load the columns. Make the table definition like EMP. One second. So here TGT table is available. The list out? No.
Sorry. No.
Before
No.
you
No.
created
No.
one table, right? Why within the
Yes.
database
Yes.
you have it, but you are not imported. That's the
Yes.
reason.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
So
Correct.
if you want, you can import it. Okay, right now click on OK.
Okay.
Yes, click on OK. Click on OK. Right, target. This is a sequential file, not the data set, not the Oracle. Just to make it as
Okay.
your file.
TXT file.
Right. Yeah. So
So
SC3,
I
SC3,
have to give any folder or directly SC3.
C colon. Better use
Ah.
that. C colon, C drive. Make it the path. That is the better way. Always you can use the path.
Okay. C colon.
C colon, SC3 dot txt. This is a text document. In the data set means dot ds. Target the
Right.
data
Right.
set means dot ds. This is a text document. So
Dot
SC3
TXT.
underscore tgt. Otherwise, the dot txt. That's why better directly. No need to tgt.
Okay.
So
Okay.
SC3 dot txt. Okay. Dot txt. So what are the columns are is available? All the 8 columns are is available. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So how much data will come to the target? Should be 14 records, right? In the target
Right.
data set 14 records data loaded. In the
Right.
Oracle the target 14 records data is loaded, right?
Right.
This is a
Right.
sequencer file. How much data you are expecting? The 14, right?
14.
Yes, you can
Right.
see. You can see. You can see how much data will come back. Right.
Okay.
Now, click on OK, run the job, saved into the end of running.
Yes.
Not in the all the columns, not coming. I will show you. 4 columns,
Okay.
maybe, I mean, 4 rows will come there. Right. So here, SC3 underscore, Vara underscore, SCQ.
Right.
SCQ means sequence file. Right. Saved into the end of running folder. Right. Right. Yes. So from the Oracle, all the 14 records of data loading into the sequential file.
Right. Yes.
See that in the green color, 14 rows
Right.
is
Right.
passing out into the target, right? Just see your
Right.
target data. 14 records came or not?
Yeah.
How many rows it came? Not in all. Why not in all? Only 4 rows.
Checking. Checking time.
Right.
Why
So
only
how many
4 rows?
rows? 4 rows,
4.
right? No worry. I will explain that. So 4
Okay.
rows is came, right? Not
Hmm.
all the columns. Why? This is one of the interview question asking that.
o-
Why
Okay.
the 4 records? Instead of the 14, only 4 records
Acha,
came. Why? Because
duplicate
yeah.
records or something were there? Duplicate
No,
records?
no,
No.
no.
Then why? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right.
Tell me.
One option there here. So commission column is there, right? Just observe that here commission column,
This one?
7th column.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah.
So some of the data is available, right? 1400 something something is there, right? Some
Right.
data.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Now
Right.
close. Open the Oracle. Open the Oracle database. Open the Oracle database. Oracle means here SQL plus. I am talking about
Okay. Okay. Okay.
SQL
Okay.
plus.
Okay. Ah.
Cell start from EMP. This is your source table, right? Cell start from EMP. Open SQL plus.
Why it is not open?
SQL plus. Just click on that.
Why does
Not coming.
nothing is happening?
In the background maybe.
Yeah.
Alright. So now shall we start from EMP. Otherwise here already there, right? One of the EMP table. EMP var underscore TZ. That is also EMP table of the data, right? Yes or no? Right. Come to
Yes.
that here. Commission column is there. Just observe that here.
Okay.
How
Why it
many
is showing?
rows are there?
Oh, sorry, sorry. Here, na, 1 second.
Uh,
How many? There are 14 rows.
Totally 14 records are there. But
Right.
here within the commission column 500, 1400, 300, 0.
Okay, okay. Okay,
How many
okay.
values are there totally? 4
4.
values.
Okay.
Remaining,
Null values.
remaining are the
Okay.
null values, right? Yes or no?
Ah,
So
yes, yes,
what
yes.
understood here? Just now tell me.
So
Null
if the
values
values
is
are
not. Yeah.
okay, okay. So if there are null values, it will not take
Uh,
those records. Like,
yes. Simply you can say a sequential file is not by default. I am talking by defaultly. Sequential file not allow the null values out of the
okay,
table. Out of
okay,
the table.
okay.
Right? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
yes.
within the commission column, some null values are there. So those are the data they're not accepting.
Right, right, right.
But
Yes.
my requirement. So by default, not allows. That's true, right? But
Right,
my requirement, I want
right.
including the null values also. I want
Yes,
my requirement, all the values should become. So actually, only commission column the null values are there, but remaining columns, there are no null values. Those are the columns
right.
values I want. How you
Yes,
can? That is my requirement. So including the null values also I want. For that, what have to? You need to remember this is the navigations. Now go to the
okay.
format tab. One of
Format.
the tab is their format, right?
Yes.
Under that, just click on the field default folder. Just click on the field default folder. Once click on that here, come to the in the right side. In the right side, some of the options are there. Under that, null field value is there. All right. One click on that. This came right. Is asking the
Yes.
question mark. In the right
Right.
side again, box is there. White box is there. 0. Make it the 0.
Okay.
Right. Click on OK. Remember this is the navigation. Click on
Okay.
OK. Now run the job.
Okay.
Now how much data will come the target?
14 rows will be there.
including the null values also. Those are the values is come to the target. I mean, all the 14 records of data, all the 8 columns will come to the target.
Yes.
So, this is one of the interview question. Remember that. So, by default, the sequence file not allows the null values throughout the table. If you
Yes.
want, you can go to this is the navigation. How format under that default folder, field default, click on that, under that null field value, under that make it the
Format.
0, then run that here.
Okay.
Field default folder, once click on that, null field value will come there. Just add the null field value, then make it the
Uh,
0, then you have to run it. This is the
yes. Okay.
navigation. Okay, right.
Yes.
Now you can see the target data. Are you able to see all the data?
Yes. Yes. I have seen. Yes.
Yeah. Including the null values. I mean all the 14 records of the data. But null values, how it shows? Null values are 000 na.
Yes.
Within the oracle, you're showing the empty, right? Blank space. But
Right.
here, you're showing the
Null. Null.
null values, not the blank, right? Yes or
Right.
no?
Right. Yes.
So this is the null values.
So,
So
one
in
question,
yeah yeah
like instead of zero, if we put
uh,
something else, like then
one
will it
two
still
it
show null?
not working. Your job is
Not.
failed.
Okay, 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 okay,
That is the
okay, got it.
condition. That is the formula. So null
Okay.
that is the zero is accepted.
Ah, okay,
Okay.
okay, got it.
Right. So now this is one of the different. Now go to the C drive once again. Now go to the C drive. So you are given the path like a C drive, right? Yes or no? Within the C
Yes.
drive, are you able to see that? So within the
Uh,
design itself, you can see that. But go to the C drive. I mean target level,
uh,
target path. What is your target path? C colon sc3.txt, right? Just to go to the C drive.
yes, yes,
C
got it.
drive. Go to the my computer. Under that C drive.
C drive.
Right. So
Okay.
here SC3, this is the text document. Are you
Yes.
able to see the data?
Yes.
You can see all the 14 columns you are able to see that here. That's fine, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
what is the 20 here? Last one, first line, last 20, right? What is that?
Uh,
Okay,
I think.
anyhow. Okay, fine. 7369, right? What is that? That is the number.
Where?
But what is the card?
Yes. Yes.
First, first line.
Employee number. Employee
7369.
number is
Employee number?
employee number.
Okay.
Yes.
Smith,
Name. Employee name.
what is the clerk?
Might be position. Means okay. The column
No.
names are not there.
So you are
Uh,
confusion, right? Simply you can
right.
say
Right.
without column headers, you are going to make the confusion. What is this? What is this? Right?
Right. Right.
What I'm saying
Right.
that here, I want including the headers into the
Right.
target. That is also my
Right. Right.
requirement. So this is one requirement. Without null values is one requirement. Now including the headers also one requirement. You have see that three requirements within the same scenario. Okay.
Right.
So based on the requirement, you are going to make it as. Remember that. I am telling
Okay.
all the properties as per requirement. Now
Okay.
double click on the sequencer file.
Okay.
So here first line is the column names, false is there, right?
Yes. Yes.
Make it as a true. Click
Okay.
on OK. First line is the column names. Remember that. First line is the
Okay.
column names means first line should be column names, then second line onwards
The
the
data.
data. Yes.
Right. Right.
Now run it and view the data
Yes.
again. Null field value by defaultly not allows.
Right.
Second one,
The
including the null
columns,
field
column names are not
values.
there. Yes.
Yeah. Third one is the column names.
Okay, okay, I got it. Now, if it is complete.
Able to see
Now,
the,
if I,
yes, see the
yeah,
data. Go to the C drive. Here you can see that. Go
yeah,
to the C drive.
okay,
Yes, double
should I
click on
replace?
that.
Okay.
Double click. No, 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 not required. See
Ah,
that here.
okay, okay,
See
okay.
that here.
Yes,
We include in the column header. Now you are clear picture. 20, that is
right,
the department number. 800, that is the column names. Salary, hire date. So you are going able to see that the proper way, the table.
right,
Yes or
right.
no, right? This is the thing.
Yes,
So that is the, within the data set, are you able to see the data? Yeah, in the
within the
scenario
date.
one, close, yeah. In the scenario one, you are loaded, right? sc1.ds. Are you able to see the data? No. In the
Yes,
target
yes.
level only. In the C drive. In the C drive.
Okay, okay, okay.
In the C
In data
drive,
set.
sc1.ds, data set of the data, are you able to see that
No, no, because it
directly?
is encrypted, I guess, right?
This is the encrypted format. 1 second, I will show you. So select a program, click on OK. Why? Because of
Okay.
this is the data set format, not in the .txt format.
Right, right,
Data
right,
set format is the encrypted format. You cannot see
right,
the data directly. Notepad.
right.
Select the notepad.
Not bad. Okay.
Click on OK.
Right.
Just read it here.
Torrent of string.
Orchestrate data.
Right, right.
Descriptor format.
Yes.
Orchestrate data set descriptor. I mean, you cannot see the data. Actually, this is a file. You have the 14 records of the data. Actually, this is the sc1.ts file. This is one of the file, right? Within the
Right,
file,
right,
you have the loaded already there, 14 records of the data, but you
right.
cannot see that directly. You cannot see the directly. Yes or no, right? Why? Because
Yes, yes.
of it is encrypted mode. I mean,
Right,
descriptor.
right,
Orchestrate
right.
descriptor, the format. This is the data set format. You cannot see directly. But I want to see that. How?
Mm.
I want to see the table format level. How you can see the target data of the data set of the target data? How you can? Right. Close. Go to the
Close.
designer.
Uh, okay.
Go to
Mm.
the designer. In the main toolbar tools. In the main
Tools.
toolbar tools.
Tools. Okay.
Data set management. Data set management. Browse.
Uh,
Will come. The pop-up will work. Right.
okay.
Pop-up will come.
Yes.
Browse and select the file. Just scroll down. You can find out sc1.s. sc1.s.
Yes.
Right. Click on OK.
Okay.
How much data? 14. Just to see
14
that
rows.
one more. Node 1, node 2 is there right here. Within your
Yes.
mission, two nodes are there. I will explain that later. What is the node, what is use of the node, everything. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
within your mission, two nodes are there. This is a
Yes.
parallel jobs. Parallel your
Right.
data is going to load it. Right.
Okay.
Total how much data? 14 records of the data. You can
Correct.
see the count right here. But I want to see the
Yes.
data. I want to see the toucher also. 14
Right.
records. The count is fine. But I want to see the toucher. Toucher means what are the columns are there? I want to see that.
Right.
In the top level, you have some toolbar, right? Second toolbar.
Yes.
Second toolbar. What is that?
Show schema window.
Schema. Schema means toucher. Right. Just click on that.
Okay.
Click on that. Schema. I mean, toucher. Table definition. I mean, 14 records. How is it loaded? These are the columns. This is schema,
Right.
right? These are the
Yes.
8 columns. Right, close. You can see the schema. Right, next option, data.
Right.
Right, just click on that.
This is schema window. This is data
This is
window.
the
Okay.
data window. Right, view the window. Just right, click on OK.
Okay. Now the data will show. Okay. Okay.
Right, see that here. Are you able to see the data right properly?
Yes.
So what I'm
Yes.
saying that here, data set once loaded into the target, directly you cannot see that. How you can
Right.
see? With help of the data set
Data set man.
management.
Right. Right.
Just remember that. So two things.
Yeah.
That is one of the differentiation. What is the difference between data set to sequential file? Within the sequential file, directly you can see the data.
Data.
But data
Correct.
set, this is a descriptive format, you cannot see directly in the target level. How you can
Right.
see with help of the data set
Set.
mode,
Yes. Right.
right? Data set format, you can see that. This is the different.
Yes.
Data set format like a .ds extension file, sequential file, .txt format, extension
Right.
file. Okay? Right. So this is the third scenario, the differentiation. Clear, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Close this one. So do one thing
Yes.
here. That's all by today. We have the almost done today.
Yes.
So I
Yes.
want you need to practice more. So again, you will
Right.
need to create one folder. Right. So now go to the job folder. Go to
Job.
the job
Okay.
folder.
Yeah.
Right click on that. New folder. New folder. Practice. You are completed 3 scenarios. These are the three
Right.
scenarios you need to practice and show to me tomorrow within the practice folder.
Sure. Yes.
Right?
Three
You need,
scenarios.
yeah,
Right.
yes, these are the 3 scenarios. Again, you need to create, save it into the practice folder. Within the
Yes.
practice folder, these are the 3 scenarios you should be showed me by tomorrow session. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine, right?
Yeah. Yes.
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 So that's all by today. Almost in the 1 hour. So see you
Yes.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Have a good day. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
If you
Thank
have
you.
any doubts, just ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay. Right.
Sure.
Have
Sure.
a good day.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So up to 30 you are completed, right? Now go to that. That 31st scenario.
Yes.
So what is the 31?
Uh, want to alter the schema Oracle,
Hmm.
modify dataset,
Right.
null and
Right.
link, drop, keep,
Yes. Yes.
type
So
conversion,
first of
column
all, yeah, 31. I want alter the schema. So alter the schema means what is the meaning of the alter the schema? Toucher you are going to
and
update it, right?
right.
Toucher. So here, how you are going to change the toucher with help of the mod file.
Okay.
So what is the mod file? Mod file is supposed that one single input line, one single output line, right? Understood what I'm saying here? One single input line, one single output line. Within the modify stage, we have the 5 properties are there. What are they? Yeah, read it. What are they?
Null, null and link,
One is a
drop,
null handling, one is a drop, one more is a keep, one more is the type conversion, one more is the column header changes. So
right.
here, first one is the null handling. How you are going to handle the null values? And you have the sum of the things, and I will explain that those are the things here, right? Then drop
Mm.
as well as keep and type conversion also there, and also column header changes. How you can work on that, please? Now go to the
Okay.
open your designer, please. Open the designer.
Okay.
Right. So make it as parallel and then make it as one source and one target. So here modify stage supports that one input link and one output link, please. Modify. Take that one source and one output. Logic stage like a modify. Yes, link of that. Make it as all the credential into the source. Right, make it all the credential in the source level. Take the EMP table. Take the EMP table.
Yes.
Load the columns. Yes. Now go to that. Modify stage. Modify. Now we have the specification, right? So what is the first one?
Yes.
Null handling. So null handling means within the commission column we have some null values are there, right? Just to open the SQL plus
Right.
and see that. So let's start from EMP. Just to open that. So let's start from EMP.
Where?
Go to the SQL plus. Under the SQL plus,
Oh,
open that.
okay.
So let's start from EMP. Set line command 300. Right. So let's start from EMP. Right. So first one is the null handling, right? So null handling means within my source table, I have the commission column there. Within the commission column, I have some null values are there. So those are the null values I want changes. So
In
within
which
the data
column?
warehouse,
In which column?
commission column, we have the some null values are there. Within the
Mm-hmm.
commission column, we have the null values are there. But what is my
Right.
requirement? I don't want loading into the null values into the target, right? This is our requirement.
Mm-hmm.
How you can. So actually in the source I will have some null values are there. But I want into the
Right.
target level, I don't want that. So instead of that
Right.
null value, I want make it a sum of the values. So at least
Mm-hmm.
a zero. So zero is not countable, right? This is zero. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. This is the countable values, but 0 is the uncountable value. But this is the value, right? So instead of the
Mm-hmm.
values, you are going to make that here 0. How you can,
Okay.
right? Now go to that. Modify stage, the specification, like you need to understand that the syntax is here. So what is the syntax here? Your column name is equal handle underscore null within the bracket your column name comma 0. You need to remember my syntax. So what is the syntax for that? Your column name is equal,
Okay.
what is your column name? Commission column, right? Is equal.
Mm.
Then handle underscore null. Handle underscore null. Handle underscore null. So within the bracket, handle, no, not typing, no. COMM is equal. This is your column name, right? So commission
Yes. Yes.
column is equal, equal.
One second. One second.
Yeah,
Um, why
yeah.
it is not
Susmita,
typing now?
all the documents, 77 documents are there. I already accepted. Please, you can all the documents share to all of them.
Commission is equals to
Equal to handle underscore null. Handle
handle
underscore
underscore null.
null. Yeah.
Okay.
within the bracket, within the
Okay.
bracket, within the bracket, open the bracket. Right. Now your column name, comma, 0. What is your column name? Commission column, right? COMM. That is your column. Commission, comma, 0. Commission, comma, 0.
Is it okay?
Yes. Yeah. Copy paste there here. So you need to remember that. What is the syntax for that? What is the syntax for
Column
that?
name is equal to handle underscore null into bracket,
Right. Mm.
column name again, and 0.
Ah, right. So your column name is called handle underscore null within the bracket, your column name, comma, your value. Right? This
So
is it. Right.
0 is compulsory, or we can give any value.
You can give in the one means that the countable value, right? One is the countable value.
No means we
So
can
0
give
means
word or something, or no,
no, no.
only
That is a
0.
numeric value. The commission column is the numeric values, right?
Okay, okay,
The commission column is the numeric values. So you need to make it the numeric values.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes. This is the one. Handle the null values. So within the handle
Okay.
the null values. So once you have to run the values, what you have to do? So output data within the commission column, you get into the 0. So where is the null values are there? Under the null value, instead of the null values, you are going to make it the 0, right? So this is the value we are going to make it as. Clear, right?
Yes.
Now, click on OK. Make it output path, mapping. One more point you need to remember. So within the module stage, you are going to load the metadata yourself, like a compress staging, expand stage you did, right? Same thing here.
Yes, yes.
So within that also, you need to make it as please. Right. Now go to that output path. Colon. Yes. Scenario 31.s, right? Yes.
Yes.
Now run the job. This is only one property. That is the null handling only. Scenario 31. Modify. Yes. So what is the output that will come back? All the ports and records. There are no changes
But
any data level.
only the
But
null will be replaced by 0.
right. So that is the null handling. Just see the output data.
Yes.
Right? Yes or no? This is the decimal
Hmm.
values. In case you have the changes the integer value. Why not? Yes or no, right? So you're showing that
Yes, yes,
commission column like a decimal values. Remaining all the thing is
yes.
the 0, 0, 0, right? Yes.
Value. Yeah.
Now, same job. Now, what is the job name you mentioned? Modifier. Okay, fine. Now go to that. Save as. Save as. Right. Modify. Modify underscore. Save as a one. Okay.
Yeah,
So
modify
now
one
go to
I
that.
did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drop. Drop means, for example, in the target source will have the 8 columns are there, but in the target level, I don't want that the particular column. Like a
Right.
MGR column is available source level. I don't want that MGR column into the target level. How you can?
Hmm.
Right. One more specification. So just click on that specification in the right side. Specification is there. Just add it in the right side. one more specification. Right, what is that here? Drop your column name. That is your syntax. Drop
Which column we need to drop?
mgr.
Which is that?
mgr. mgr.
MGR.
Within the source you have the mgr, right? Yes.
This
Right,
is
one
the
more
syntax,
specification.
like drop MGR. That's it.
Yes, 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 yes. The column
And
name is
if you
mgr
want
only.
to, and if you want to drop
Multiple,
two or
comma, one more.
yeah.
Comma, comma, one more.
Okay.
Comma, you are make it as specification. Okay. Don't do like this here. Just make it one column now. mgr. Right. I want one more specification. So all the properties within the single job, I am going to explanation here. Now, one more specification. One more specification added. Keep. So remember that. Don't give the keep. So what is the keep? What is the drop? What is the difference?
Okay.
For example, a drop means out of the 8 columns, you have the 8 columns are there, right? In the source 7. Out of the
Right.
8 columns, the particular mgr column, which column you are going to select it, the particular column you are going to drop it.
Right.
Remaining 7 columns are reachable level into the target level.
Right.
But what is the keep? Keep means the particular column is available, remaining all the columns is drop it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So what is use of that? For example, I have the 8 columns are there. Keep employee number.
Mm.
So only one employee number is available into the target. Remaining all the columns is going to drop it.
Drop.
I mean delete it. What is use of that?
Right.
So opposite. Keep, drop, quite opposite.
Yes.
So we are not never use that. Not keep. Okay.
Right.
Understood, right? What I'm saying here. Right.
Yes.
Next specification is there one more. Type conversion. What is
Right.
the type conversion? So for
Data
example,
type.
higher date is there. Yeah, higher date column is there. Higher date, what is the
Mm.
data type? What is the data type? Timestamp format, right? So what
Right.
is
Right.
timestamp? Timestamp means what is the timestamp?
It is a data type. It means to in.
Timestamp. Timestamp means year, month, date, hours,
Okay.
minutes, seconds. Total you can consider
Right.
this is the timestamp. So
Thanks.
what is my
Okay.
requirement? So timestamp is converting into date format. How
Right.
is the
Mm.
date? Only year, month, date, right? So
Okay.
timestamp is the total will have that, but I want in the target level only date format. So that is
Right.
the type conversion. So type conversion, what is the syntax for that? Your column
Mm.
name. What is your column
Okay.
name here? Higher date. Higher date is the your column name here. So higher date,
Okay.
your column name,
Higher date. Okay.
higher date is called date underscore date underscore from underscore date underscore from underscore timestamp timestamp. So within the bracket your column name, within the bracket your column name. So what happened here?
So
That time
yeah. So what we did is a date from timestamp means we
higher
are converting
timestamp
from timestamp
timestamp
to date.
to date. Yes.
Date. Okay.
So within bracket your column name like a higher date.
Mm.
So this is the one kind of syntax, right? Now
Okay.
one more. Column header changes, the fifth one. Column
Okay.
changes. Column head changes means, for example, within the my source child column is here, right? I want salary. Header you are going to changes. Job column is
Mm.
there. So instead of the job column, I want designation. So what column you are going to changes? The header. The header
Mm.
you are going to changes.
Change. Mm.
So what is the syntax for that? Right, one more syntax. One more specification, you can add it. One more specification. What is the specification? Your old column name is called new column.
Okay.
Old column is called new column. What is the old column? Which column are going? Header changes. Shall. Right. Yeah. Shall is called salary.
Okay.
Salary. Okay. Right. Now go to the output tab. Within the output tab, you need to map in the columns, right? Yes or no? Right. So what is outputted here? MGR column should not come to the target. Right. You need to modify. That is the modify stage. So here, modify stage, you are going to load the yourself metadata. So MGR column, I don't want that, right? So remove the MGR column. And here, instead of the salary, sal column, you can make it as salary. You are going converting, right? Yes or no? The metadata you need to load it. Remove that.
Okay. But
MGR
for
column.
what for this we did okay drop manager. Okay.
So
Okay.
drop
So if
and header changes.
so if we are directly deleting the metadata means what is the means use of then modify means if we directly delete also then also it will not come, right?
Right. So once here in the source once deleted it is not coming. But in the source shell we have it, but in the target level I don't want that. Yes or no?
Okay.
I understood, right? So if it's in the source I want that MGR column. But in the target level, I don't want the MGR column. I want drop it. So according to that, you are going to change your column headers.
Okay.
So MGR column you need to remove. And one more, shell column, right? Instead of shell column, you need to make it as salary. Edit the cell, edit column name. Target level, what column you are going to display? Salary. So column header changes, you need to changes. Where's that? No, just double. No, back, go back. Go back. Go to
Cancel.
the columns only. Cancel. Right, here is shell. Double click on that shell. Double click on that. Yes, you can modify here. Salary. Should not have the space.
No.
Salary. Okay. Yes. So what are the modifications going on here? Sal to salary, the header changes to, right? MGR column is going to drop it. That is second specification. Null handling is going on. That is the one thing. One more, header changes.
Data type.
Right? And fifth one is the data type changes. Okay? Right. Now click on OK.
So
So all
data
the
type we
specifications.
can change, sir, one doubt. So which column we change the data type?
Higher date column. Higher date.
Higher date. Okay. So higher date we can change here also, right? Or no?
No. Already date
Means
is
if
there.
we
In case, what is my requirement? So within the source, in case I have the timestamp format is there, but in the target level, I want only date. This is the data type changes. The data type. Source level is the timestamp, but target level I want only date. Simply you can say trimming, right? Yes or no? Trim that.
Okay.
This is the thing. Right. Now click on OK, make it the target path, and then run the job. So all the specification within the single job, I am explanation here. Modify. So modify means single input link, single output link is supposed. Single input link, single output link. Within the modify stage, what are the specifications? Null handling, if, drop, type conversion, header, changes.
Right.
What is the syntax for that null handling?
Column name is equal to handle null into
Handle
bracket.
underscore null, underscore
Yeah,
null.
handle. Yeah, handle
underscore null,
underscore null,
within the bracket, your column name,
column name,
comma,
0. Yeah.
0. Right. One more, type conversion.
Uh, Column
Your
name is
column name
equal
is
to
called
uh,
date underscore from
which
underscore
column you
timestamp within the bracket.
which type
Ah,
which data type you want from
yeah.
old data type into bracket uh, timestamp.
New data type from your old data type.
Right, and bracket
So within the
again
bracket,
column.
your column name. Yes.
Right,
So one more column header changes. For that,
is equal to old column name is equal to new column name.
right. Yes. Now see the output data. See the output data now. File specifications is completed
Why
right
it is
within a single job.
why it is showing this?
Hmm. Data is passing out. Just go to the output data. All the 14 cards is passing out, but you are not able to see that output. Make it the
Why?
proper path is not correct. That's fine, right? Changes the path.
So what I should change exact name
Any
entire
name, just make. Yeah, yeah. Any name, just make it as SC31. Right.
modify.
Underscore. Yeah. Underscore m.ds. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. What are the columns which came? Just click on the here columns. No, no. In the output level. Columns. Data is passing out, but only the toucher. So toucher will be different. So what are the columns are they here? So job, I did. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now run the job. Again, can you run the job and see the output data. See the output data.
Hmm. Again the same
No.
thing. Why it is happening?
Input level maybe the data types maybe not matching out. Click on yes. Click on yes. Go to that source. Go to the
Source.
source. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Double click on that. Make it the columns. Click on the columns. Hmm. Commission. Okay, that's fine. Now go to that. Modify. Maybe the data set is the problem. Maybe. Right. Specification. Commission. Handle underscore null. Drop. mjar. Make it the capital letters. Case sensitive.
Which one?
mjar. Drop mjar.
Okay. And here also I would have to make
So
them
column
capital.
names is always see the capital letters, please. Column names is always see the capital letters. Old column is equal new column. Column always see the capital letters.
Here also higher date should be
Yes,
capital.
yes, yeah. Sometimes it's taken that, sometimes not taken that. But actually this is not the case sensitive. Maybe the data set is not connecting to the target level. Just try that one here.
Should I run?
Yeah, yeah. See the output data.
Again same thing.
Same. Huh? So maybe the data set is the issue. Right, no worry. So the data is passing into the target level. How will you look like your output data here? Remove the data set, then you have to see that after that sometime please. No worry. Okay. So what
Okay.
is the output data should become? What time? 6. Okay.
Sa-
So what is the output
salary.
data should be? Right. Salary instead of sal, we are going to make it as a salary. Right. So the
Right.
data type is the converting into the date format. One
Right.
more. One more.
Remove null. Nulls will be
Yeah.
replaced by 0. And
0.
column. Yeah, column
So
name
already,
already talked.
null values already you completed, right? So the first one.
Yes.
So drop, keep, those are the things. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
So now go to the next scenario. That is 32nd scenario. Here, please open that. What is the 32?
Need to column to
Hmm.
rows conversion.
Hmm.
Okay.
So I have some columns are there. So those are the columns I want converting to the rows conversion. How you are going converting the rows? Like a pivot, pivot
Okay.
switch.
Is it
So
vice
simple
versa also
example.
or no?
Now,
Only
now,
column to row.
for example, I have that 8 columns are there, right? So those are the 8 columns. Out of the 9 columns, which I selected, those are the 3 columns or maybe 4 columns. Those are
Mm,
the 4 columns. In the source table, how will it look like that? For example, higher date column, job
mm,
column, department
mm,
number column. You have the 3 columns are there, right? Within the
mm,
source, higher date, you have the 14 records, and
mm,
department number, you have the 14 records, and then
mm.
salary, you have the 14 records, right?
Right.
So these
Right.
are the 3 columns look like columns in the source level.
Mm,
Correct, right? So, but these are the 3 columns of the data I want converting into that row level, rows.
mm.
I want converting to the rows.
Row.
So how you are
Mm.
going to convert it? So these are the 3 columns, 14 plus 14 plus 14. So these are the data is loading into at the row level. So 46, right? Yeah, I mean, so these are the, how much data will come to the target again? 14 in the 3, totally 42 rows. That's not right.
I didn't.
Source table have the,
Can you repeat? Can you repeat once again?
yeah,
I'm
source table have the
confused.
3 columns are there. So I want convert
Right.
to the, these are the 3 columns. So these are the
Right.
3 columns of the data I want
Mm.
converting into single column. Simply you can say.
Okay.
So within the
Okay.
single column, 42 rows you are going to storage. I mean, in the target table, it look like a rows, but source table, it look like a column.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So you can
Mm.
see, once you have to see that output data, you can understand that, please. So
Okay.
pivot support only one input link, only one output link. Yeah, please.
Okay.
One input link, one output link. Take that one source, Oracle, pivot, target, data set. Yes, link of that. Make it as the empty table. Right. Load the columns. Right. Now go to the pivot stage. Within the pivot stage, input to output to. Go to the output tab. Go to the output tab. Under that columns, click on the columns. So here column name. So first of all, I want employee number is as it is. I want that. Right. Type it here column name. EMPNO capital letters. Once make an output, you can understood this. EMPNO. Right. Second line. I want result. Result. This is I created the new column, right? So within the
Right.
result column, I want 3 columns conversion, where destination, right? The same line, same column, derivation, right? Under the derivation, double click on that. Another right. Now ename comma, ename comma, ename comma, shall comma, shall comma, comma,
E-name.
ename comma, shall comma, department number. So these are the 3 columns I am going to converting. Right? Actual source table, how will it look like that? E-name is the 14 records, salary is the 14 records, department number is the 14 records. But now, in the target level, the result column is going to create, these are the 3 columns of the data you are going to loading into the result column, like a rows.
Right.
Yeah, click on OK. Click on OK. Now go to the target level. Target, make it the path. Better to sorting employee number, partition techniques, right? Just for your understandability. So make it the target, make it the hash partition, perform sort on employee number. Hash partition, employee number, perform sort. That is not the mandatory, that's for your understandability. I want to show you proper way for you. Right, now make it the path. Path. Path given that, right? File name. So this is
This one,
the
right?
scenario, yes. Scenario
32.
32, 33, yeah? 32 or 33? 31, 32, right?
32. Okay.
Modify 32. C colon slash 32 C colon 32.s. Right, run the job. Source table, we have the 14 records. I am going to converting these are the 3 columns. So in the source we have the columns level is there, but in the target level you can see look like a row level. Scenario 32 pivot. Pivot. P-I-V-O-T. Pivot. Yes.
Has it run?
Right. Yes. So how much output it will come that here? Source is a 14 records, but target is a 42 records. Why? Because of those are the columns is converting into that rows.
One column into 3 rows.
Is
Okay.
3. Yeah. Yes or no? Source level look like a columns, but target level is rows. So what I'm saying that
Okay.
here, so this is look like a columns is converting into that is the rows. Right? This is the thing here. How is it see that here? Employee number, same
Right.
employee number. So ename, shalu, department number. This came right, the same employee number. 769. Yes or no?
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
You understand right? Now. So what happened now? So in the source level, you have the columns. But target level, you can have the row level.
So here, sir,
Clear? What?
on the if one more thing, if we
Mm.
add like if we want to remove the duplicate values here, if we sort and remove duplicate, then will it be
Actually, for you
possible that?
understand, yeah, no, no. So duplicates you cannot. Once you duplicate recorded, those are the data you are going to remove duplication. So remove duplication,
Okay.
not that one. So why I'm showing that here, the employee number, why I'm giving that here, for you understand, but I'm showing that here.
Okay,
Actually,
okay.
this is employee name is not required. What is the requirement?
Mm.
So those are the three columns of the data. I want converting into the rows level.
Right, right. Got it.
Right. This is I want that. What
Mm-hmm.
you understand with I am showing that here. Uh, I mean employee number.
Okay.
Clear? Right.
Yes.
So this is the your pivots. Clear?
Right. Mm.
Next one. What is the next one? Next 33.
1 second.
What is 33?
We need to combine n number of sources into one single largest target
Right. So
number of
like a copy stage. What is the copy stage?
from single source to multiple source.
Right. The reverse order. So the reverse order.
Okay.
How is it like that? So copy stage is our one input n number of
Fine.
outputs. But now n number of inputs equal to one output.
Okay.
So that is stage. Which stage you are going to use that?
Funnel.
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 So funnel
Okay.
supports that n number of input links and single target. So funnel supports that n number of input links and only single output. Right? That's a
Output.
copy stage of the reverse.
Yes.
Here. Copy
Yes.
stage of
Yes.
the reverse. Clear, right?
Right.
So this is the thing.
Right.
Now, now, make it as pure.
So for sources, what should I take?
Better to take that one is the Oracle, one is the data set, one is the sequence file. You already copy stage you did right. Within the copy stage, these are the three targets you given that. Yes or no? Different
Mm.
targets. I remember that.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes or no? One more point you need to remember. Here, the data types should be same.
Okay.
Each
Do
source of
means
that data types.
is it necessary that the column name should also be same here?
Column same. I mean, structure means the column name should be same. But data with the different. Maybe Oracle we have the 14 records. Data set we have the 5 records. Sequencer we have
Mm.
the 2 records. So I don't bother
Mm.
about the data. So I want bother about the data structure. Structure should be same.
But are they
All the three
sorting means
sources.
is it combining on the basis of key column that I want to know.
Not only key column.
Okay.
So structure should be same. So what is the data? Those are the three data I am going loading in the target. That is my requirement.
Okay.
Right. So sequence file means you have already sc3.txt something, right? sc3.txt available, right?
Yes.
Just to go to the C drive, then have to find out.
Oh,
And
one
also
second.
data set
I
also.
yeah. I'll just link this.
Better to take the two sources in the data set, one is the Oracle. Better. Instead of sequence file.
Remove the sequence.
Yeah, yeah. Data set. You can make it as a data set. So you can use that sequence file also, but some matching columns to something different.
Uh,
Right. Now take that Oracle MP. Take that MP. So scenario one of the target, right? Already there. You can take that one data set as a source.
yes.
Otherwise, scenario 20 of that target, right? The copy stage of output is there. So you need to make it as
Mhm.
data set.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
take that. Those are the data sets. Now go to the data set, go to the file, browse. So sc1.h is available. Right, you can take that one. So another we have the 14 records are there, right? Yes or no? The toucher is the
Yes.
EMP table toucher. Now that one you can take that. Uh,
6, I think.
remove table. Yeah, remove duplication stage we did, right? Remove duplicate stage. Which one?
Mm,
Which one? 11th one. Scenario 11.
yes.
Right. Under that you have to remove the duplication records, right? Toucher is the same.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. Now,
Only the duplicates are removed, right? Mm.
yes. So now go to the columns. All the three are the three the MP table toucher only, right? Toucher should be same. Data is different.
Right.
Load the toucher. Employee table toucher.
Uh, in
MP
data
table.
sets,
Oracle MP table. EMP table. Data sheet or
there are
EMP. Whatever. The source level, right? Oracle this is the MP table. No.
right.
Go to the Oracle. Go to the Oracle. Stage.
I am
Stage
in
properties.
Oracle only.
Table name. You are missing out.
Okay, okay,
Table
okay.
name is missing out.
EMP. Okay.
Right. Now go to columns already done, right? Now go to that. So one more source.
Now,
One more source.
now where?
Yeah, check. Yeah. Open that. So what are the columns? You need to load the metadata, right? Employee table structure. EMP.
Should I? Okay. Should I do
EMP.
this or
Right?
no?
Yeah, whatever you want. Yeah, anything is fine, right? Same structure. Oracle data set, same structure only, right? Yes. Again, that is also. Done, right? All the three sources.
Mm.
Now go to the funnel. So here you have the continuous funnel. Three types of funnels are there. Continuous funnel, sequence funnel, short funnel. So short funnel means your output data is going to sorting.
Okay.
Right? Here, continuous funnel means one by one record is going to capture each source. Output is the same. What is the type of the sequence format you are going to use? Anything is same. Sequence funnel output is the same 14, for example. 14. What kind of that funnel you are going to use? Output is the same, but the background process is different. Background process.
So what is
So
means I didn't understand the
continuous means
difference with
yes. So continuous
I didn't
means
understand.
you have the
Okay.
three sources are there, right? Three sources.
Mm.
So three sources
Right.
continuous means record by record level. First source of the first record, second source of the first record, third source of the first record.
Okay.
Capture that.
Okay.
Then go back.
Mm.
Again, first source of the second record, second source of the second record, third source of the second record. Completed, right? Now back. So
Mm.
this is the way the operation is going on the background.
Okay.
That is a continuous.
A-
What is the
And
sequence?
sequence?
Sequence means
Yeah.
all the so first source of the audio record captured, second source of the audio
Okay.
record, third source of the audio record. Parallel level you are going to capture. Parallel level.
So,
That is sequence funnel. So
but
what
any
happens
difference
here?
in the output? Any difference in
There is no
output?
difference. Output is there is no difference. Performance level. One by
Okay.
one level there is sequence and their performance is down, right?
So, so which one is fast then? Continuous or sequence performance wise?
Sequence funnel. Sequence.
Okay. Okay.
So now you can select anything. So you are going to execute three. First of all, continuous funnel, then go to sequence funnel, then go to the start funnel. Right. Make it output path. Yeah. Output mapping. Mapping. Right. Target. Target. Path. Scenario 33 underscore. What this one? Scenario 33 underscore
Funnel.
funnel. Yes. Run the job. You can see the output data. So scenario 33 underscore funnel underscore continuous. You're doing that, right? Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Okay. Okay. Run the see the output here. Okay, fine, fine. Funnel 1, 2, 3 like this. You are making.
Okay.